Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to create new style of science fiction scene with using Octane Render. So firstly guys, I'm going to take this one and side tool, this one. And now second one, guys, I take rectangle and change rectangle size. Guys, breadth size I take 5 centimeter and height I take 1000, right? Okay, so third one guys, I take swap tool, this one, and select both objects and make child with swap. See guys, right? Okay, so now guys, I go to here Octane and use live view window. Yes guys, select this window, drag and drop on left side, and I increase size like this. Yeah, and click on here. See guys, that's my composition. And now guys, I take camera, use Octane camera and camera check, and guys, select this camera and all rotation change all 0 and position 0 0 and last one Z1 change like this, right? Okay, so guys, I go to render setting and change size. I take same breadth size 1000 and height 1000 and click on here. Yeah, great. Okay, so now guys, I create material for this object. So go to shader and Octane material and open. Guys, material type I use glossy. Yeah, and diffuse. Guys, I take dark gray color like this, right? And guys, go to specular and change some setting on specular size, change like 0.25. yeah, and roughness I take 0.1. yes, better, right? Okay, so guys, I go to note editor and open and increase size like this. And guys, go to image texture, drag and drop, and guys, this time I apply JS placement texture, this one, that's my texture, right? So go to open, yes, and guys, go to displacement, select this texture, connect with input, and this input connect with displacement map, yes, and level of detail guys, take full. And guys, go to amount I take like 15 is good, and mid level I take 0.6. yes, that's it. So close, and guys, apply this texture on this swap tool. Yeah, that's really good. See guys, and guys, change UV. So length U I take like 20 and length V 40. yeah, and guys, closer like this. Yeah, and guys, now save this project, go to desktop and save. Yeah, okay, so now guys, I create more shapes. So this one, use cylinder and orientation change. Guys, rotation segments I take 3. yes, and height I take like 300 and radius increase like 80. yeah, and guys, I go to top view panel and go on here. yes, and guys, rotate like 60 and apply on right side like this. See guys, that's my composition. And guys, now copy this cylinder, press Ctrl C and V, and guys, axis and rotation like 120. yeah, right. See guys, that's really good. And same, select both cylinders and copy. So go to up. yeah, great, right? Okay, so guys, same, apply same material. So select all cylinders and actually guys, copy this material, press Ctrl C and V, open, and guys, displacement map, amount I take 10. Yes, and mid level 0.5. So apply on cylinders. Yes, see guys, that's really good, right? Okay, so now guys, for lighting, create more shape. So guys, select all and group, Control G, actually Alt G, yeah, and select this one and copy. Guys, copy this one cylinder. So camera uncheck and closer. Guys, delete this material and select this cylinder, and guys, radius increase like 82 and height decrease like 0.5. Yeah, see guys, this one, that's my lighting shape. And now guys, go on here and copy, press Ctrl C and V, and last one copy. Yes, right, see. So guys, I create material for this shape. So open material, guys, go to emission and black body emission check, and guys, use RGB spectrum and surface brightness check, and guys, color I take blue color. Yeah, and guys, apply all cylinders. Yes, like this, right? Okay, so now guys, copy this cylinder, so Alt G and copy. Yes, and position is good. Select this one and guys, go to position. Yes, and rotate 120 and apply on left side. Yes, more. Yeah, see guys, that's my shape, and little bit more. Yeah, all is good. Okay, so now guys, select both shape and again copy, go to on top, and guys, little bit back, same, and up. Yes, and guys, now change only material, so copy this material. Guys, color I take red because I like red. Yes, and unfold all. Guys, select this material and apply red color. Yeah, right. Now guys, I go to camera. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful composition. Okay, so now guys, I take more cylinder for corner shape, and height guys, same 1000, and radius I take 1. Yes, guys, go to here and apply material like this. Yes, and go on here. Yeah, guys, now copy this shape, go on here this side. Yes, little bit front. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, copy this cylinder, press Ctrl C and V, and rotate like this, and again rotate, copy. Yeah, right. See guys, that's my shape. And guys, you can change only material type. So blue is good, and this one red, top one is red. Yes, and red color. Yeah, right, that's really good. Okay, see guys, my composition is finished. Now I apply 3D character model. So save and go to merge. Guys, go to here. That's my astronaut 3D character model. Yeah. And guys, go to down like this. Guys, go on here and rotate like this 180 degree and little bit closer. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful composition, right? Okay, so guys, last one, I create earth effect on background. So go to object and use SDRI environment and click. Guys, I apply earth texture, this one. Yes, and go to UV. Guys, scale size decrease like 0.12. Yes, and little bit increase like 13. More 15. Yes, that's really good, right? Okay, so guys, my composition is finished. And lastly, go to here, Octane camera and camera image check. Guys, exposure 0.9 and gamma 0.95. Yeah, and saturation to white I take 0.2. Yes, and guys, post processing and enable check, and bloom power I take like 20. Yeah, that's really good. See guys, it's really good composition. And guys, go to render setting, Octane setting, max amp I take like 3000, and guys, I take 8 and diffuse take 3, glossy depth 5. Yeah, that's it guys. See guys, that's my composition, beautiful composition. And guys, stop this rendering and go to render setting to take Octane render. Yeah, and create render, right? See guys, that's my simple space scene with using Octane render is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, you can download all project file and 3D character model from my website. Is finished. Thank you.